Hi children, good morning to all. Welcome back to the English online classes of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. How are you children? Are you fine? Okay, and I hope you are watching the classes and completing your notes in time, is it? And we have already completed one poem. The poem's name is The Merry-Go-Round. And today let us discuss a new poem. Do you know the name of the poem? A Little Seed. See children, today we will discuss the... Do you have any plants or flowers in your garden? Mostly in all the houses there are some plants and flowers. And did you plant any seed? If you didn't do that one, with the help of your parents you must plant a seed. Then you can easily identify how a seed become a plant and how it get a flower. Let us discuss the poem. A little seed. The name of the poem, A Little Seed. A little seed for me to sow, a little soil to make it grow, a little hole, a little patch, a little wish, and that is that. A little sun, a little shower, a little while, and then a flower. Once more, a little seed for me to sow, a little soil to make it grow, a little hole, a little patch, a little wish, and that is that. A little sun, a little shower, a little while, and then a flower. We are talking about how a seed become a plant and how it get a flower. So the first line, a little seed for me to sow. What's the meaning of sow? S-O-W. Sow means plant in the earth. We can plant anything in the earth. First we need to plant the seed in the earth. The second line, a little soil to make it grow. Then what we need? A little soil to make it grow. A little hole, a little patch. First we need to make a hole in the earth, then we need to cover it with the soil. Then make a patch. What do you mean by patch? A quickly or gently touch with the flat of your hand like this. That we can call patch. First we need to make a hole in the earth, then we need to make a patch. Patch means quickly or gently touch with your hand. A little wish, and that is that. Then what we need to do? We need to make a wish to God to make a plan. A little sun, a little shower. Here shower means rain. A little sun, a little shower. What are the things a seed need to grow? Sun and shower means rain or water. A little while. Here a little while means after some days. And then a flower. Some days the seed will get soil, sunlight and water. Water maybe it has a rain. So after some days it will become a flower. So children, did you understand the poem? In this poem they are talking about how a seed become a plant. First we need to make a hole in the earth, then we need to cover it with the soil, then make a patch on the earth. Then it will get sunlight and rain. Then it will become a flower. So what's the meaning of sow? Sow means plant something inside the earth. Plant in the earth. Patch we already discussed. Then here shower means rain. We discussed a little while. A little while means after some days.
So children, look at this picture. Picture number 1. A little seed for me to sow. What we have to do with the seed? We have to sow. That means put it in the soil. And picture number 2. A little earth for it to grow. When I put the seed, where will I put the seed in the soil? I need a little earth because earth has soil. So I sow that seed into the earth And what is next? Picture number 3, a little sun. That means a little sunlight. So the seed needs soil in the earth and sunlight. And after some days, it will get soil, sunlight and rain. Here shower means rain. So after some days, it will become a flower. Picture number 5. So the seed will get soil, sunlight and rain and it will stay inside the soil. So after some days, picture number 6, it grow as a beautiful flower.
So children, today we discuss a new poem. What's the name of the poem? A Little Seed. And we already discussed 2 new words. So what do you want to do? You must read this poem at least 5 times from your home and write and study the new words. We can meet in the next classroom.